Please like and subscribe.
These are 4 items, 2 different ones, and 2 of the same. You know, where I bought this item, I bought it twice. I also bought this item, and I bought it twice. So this is just going to be a look at. I purchased them because I use them all the time for different scenarios, usually on my laptops. So it's better to have them and not have to look for them later on. I purchased it on Amazon Haul, a new service that Amazon has. It's May of 2025. And they're competing, it looks like, with Temu and websites like that, I believe. Confirm that in your own Google search. As for these items, I saw these, and I usually pay a lot more than what I purchased them on Amazon Haul. So I purchased a few because I always need them. I think I probably average about 2 years per laptop. My laptops last about 2 years before something goes wrong. And I use them to keep the laptop cool when I'm using it on a table. These are like feet, and they raise. In my case, it's a laptop. You can use this for anything you want that is flat off the ground, and you want it, I guess, off the ground. That would be the reason I get it. You know, something like I don't know. I can't even think of anything. Maybe a tablet. But again, when you stick these on, you take the chance of ruining the surface that you're sticking them onto. So usually when I stick them on my laptop, I don't ever remove them. It becomes very difficult to remove them. So make sure you know exactly what, I should have showed you what you're sticking them on, and that you can cause damage to the item you're sticking them to. Because it's double-sided tape, so it may hold very well and never come off. So it's one of those options, and I've broken plastic pieces in the back of my laptop trying to get them off. So it's from experience. I don't even bother taking them off anymore. They fall off, I just buy the same one that the other side has and replace it. So again, you can put them like on a tablet, keep your tablet upright. Let me just give you an idea. So this is just an example. I would never use it this way, but this is my tablet. And if I want the tablet kind of like, let's say I'm sitting on a chair and I'm facing the tablet, I may want it to face up so I can see it better. So you may want to put one of these on your tablet on the other side to keep it off the ground. Let's see, you know, like that. So it kind of comes off the ground a little bit, as you can see. A lot more than it being flat. So just an idea. Again, I use them on laptops. I don't have a laptop to show you. I'm using my laptop right now to process some videos, so I can't show you. But anyway, even just imagine this as a laptop. It keeps it off the floor, so that vents can cool easier. So it's usually to my understanding, the fans suck up the air from the bottom, and then they exhaust through the back, so that the inside of the laptop, the hard drive, the CPU, the memory, is getting a constant flow of cool air, or cooler air than having it flat like that. There is no circulation there at all, and you could run into overheating issues. So this is one of them, and the link will be below. Let me put the light on. Close-up look. There's a little rubber piece, so when it's flat, it still comes off the ground a little bit, as you can see. And then when you stick it to your laptop, you bring it up and it raises it a little bit. So let's see. I don't know if I have a measuring. I don't think I'm going to be able to measure it, but you can see for yourself. Let me take I don't have anything. I'm just looking for a pencil. So it's flat on the ground like that. Let me show you both of them. They're just different looking ones. And, you know, they still look, to me, they still look cool on the bottom. They don't look like atrocious or anything like that. This is the other version I purchased. And this might even be higher. I think that's higher. If you look at both of them, that's about the same. Yeah, the black one just a tiny bit higher, it looks like, but about the same. You raise them up so they're flat. You can see this, the black one is much more flatter than that one. And the other side, this one has a little rubber piece, so it's going to lift it up a little bit more. This has nothing. It's just plain black. They're tiny or small, not very intrusive. And then when you open it, it raises it just a tad. Let me see if... Oh no, the black one will raise it a lot higher, because when you do open it, it'll be that high. So let's get a measuring tape, get an idea of the height you will get with the black one. I'm doing it here because you can't see the one on the other side. So imagine the two being 1. So it's a little over an inch, 1 1/8. And with this, about an inch. So it's a little bit less than the black one, but about the same. Not a huge difference for the items. And the area that you have to cover when you put it, like in my case, the laptop has to have an area. I don't like to put this on vents. I put this on flat surfaces so they don't interfere with the vent. And then from here to here. And then this one, I think this is a little bit smaller. Imagine the two being 1. So it's about 1 inch and half, 1.5 inches. About an inch. Cool. And let me see the thickness. The little rubber piece where my thumb is, and then very tiny there. Over here, it looks like it's the same size end to end. Cool. And again, I just purchased these. I used them. I like to have my laptop off the flat surface for cooling reasons, especially when it's doing a big job. When I'm converting videos or you know, things like that. It helps me. They come with, it looks like they come with extra double-sided tape. I guess if you want to, the laptop's no good, you take it out and you see right there. You can add other ones if you have an issue and you need to put it on another laptop. It comes with double-sided tape here. Here's this one. Yeah, that's this one. And the black one comes with two of those. Pretty cool. I don't see the, hold on one moment. Yeah, this one only comes with one and these two pieces here. So I don't know what this is. This might be a double-sided tape, not sure. I don't know what this is for. You can't stick it here, but it sticks on the other side. And these are the double-sided ones. Oh, there's another one of these. Maybe to not damage the surface, you put this down first and then you put this on top of this, maybe? I'm thinking. It doesn't come with instructions. All right, so this was just a look at. I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.